My name is Rachel Pilcher with Rachel Pilcher Writing Workshops. I wanted to let you know about a class I have coming up. It's a live class called Write Fearlessly. It's my signature class. I am always excited to be able to bring it to a live audience. I've taught it online. I've done several other variations of this class with other organizations, and this time round I am pairing up with Writing Workshops Fort Worth. It's going to be on Saturday, February the 8th, 2020 from 1 to 4 p.m. For more information about this workshop, you can go to rachelpilcherwritingworkshops.com and click on Rachel in Person, and it will take you to the Writing Workshops Fort Worth page where you can get more information about the class, or you can go to writingworkshops.fortworth.com and you can click on class information, and that will also get you to the same place. I hope you join me. I am very excited about it. As I said, you have a great day, and I hope to see you there.